leave it to me, dada, dada, dada. And I never fit deny, I want so. See my antenna, girl, you don't scatter. Oh boy, I wanna know your paro. See my eye, well, I girl, you don't red. Oh, leave it to me, dada, dada, dada. And I never fit deny, I want so. See my antenna.
So I'm ready to go now. I just finished doing my skincare and my hair, and I think it looks quite cute. And I also refilled my lashes because some fell off last night. And yeah, I wanted you guys to show you guys my scent of the day. It's Scent Desert at Sunset. It's the Kimra. I don't know if you guys know Kimra, the oud. This is the dupe. It smells so good. I love it so much. I'm so irritable today. Like, I'm simply vlogging out of discipline because if it was left to me, I do not want to go out of bed. I do not want to leave the house. I do not want to absolutely do anything. But because I already have so many things to do today that I already committed to do, I just have to do them because we're not moving with our feelings this year. But today is one of those days. Honestly, I don't even know why I'm so irritated. Maybe it's my period. I don't know. But I want to show you guys my outfit of the day. I think I told you guys last night, but what I ordered for my birthday doesn't fit me properly. Okay, it fits, but it doesn't fit the way I want it to fit, so I have to return it today. So first of all, I have to get something to wear tomorrow because I need to have like a cute outfit so that everything works perfectly. I'm doing like a self-care day or whatever, and I just want to look cute and feel good because, you know, that's what I like to do. So I need to find like a cute dress quickly because the one that I have doesn't fit, and then I want to return it. The one that I ordered, I need to go drop it off at the post office so I can send it back and they can refund me my money. And then after that, I'm going to get my teeth done. I'm getting my adjustment done today. I don't even know if it's gonna be an adjustment or I'm gonna have them taken off soon because honestly I'm really tired of my braces. That's another story for another day. And then I also want to get candles for like a little cupcake thingy for my birthday that I'm gonna do tomorrow. So I want to take a little picture. So yeah, when I get to the mall, I'll catch up with you guys. Thank you.
Você tem canal no YouTube?
Hi my loves. So I got the cutest dress from Zara. Like I've always wanted the dress, but at first it was like 29 and then we gave 25 last year September, and then it was 15. I didn't buy it, I don't know why. And then today I finally saw it and it was what, 9 euros. Earrings from Capcut, because I just have these Ted Baker ones that my friend gifted me, and I feel like they don't actually go with the dress. The rest of my jewelry is in Germany, so yeah. And they've been playing Afrobeats at the mall today. I don't know why or who their DJ is, but it's giving. I love it. So my Uber is here, and now we're gonna go drop off the clothes that don't fit, and then we're gonna go to the dentist. So I'm on my way to the post office. I think I'm gonna be very early to my dentist appointment because right now it's like 12:26, and if I finish at the post office by 1, hopefully if it's not full, then I'm gonna have like 2 hours before my appointment. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with that time, but I'm so hungry. But then I also can't eat because I already brushed my teeth, but I'm so hungry. And then I also want to get candles for my little cupcake tomorrow. I'm not getting a cake because it's not within my budget this season. Honestly, after buying my camera, it's just, I cannot possibly pay 50 or 60 euros for a cake that I'm not even gonna eat. Like, I don't even have that many friends, you guys, to be fair. And maybe I'll get when I'm in Germany with my family, that would make more sense. But yeah, it's just like 2 or 3 people that I know would clutch for me, so but can you touch it? I just want how much? Yes, how much? I want again, no. I'm actually craving chicken legs, maudo, you know, that's what they're called in Setswana, but I couldn't get them, so I'm just gonna settle for turkey. And also, people keep staring at me like, I don't know if something is wrong with my face or my outfits, I don't know. I mean, today at least I know I backed, so I know it's not anything, but I'm like, I don't know, it's making me shy, because I'm like, what?
these vegetables, sir?
Fortunately, they're not just available, they're closed for lunch. So that's just sad. I think I'm gonna go back home. Yeah, I'm gonna go back home and eat and work a bit. And I also have to call Hillary. Eat, call Hillary, then come back after lunch, like at my appointed time, which is 3 p.m. and probably drop off the rest of these things and then see how I'm gonna make it work, you know. How I feel about my birthday tomorrow. I mean, I've always been excited about my birthday, but I feel like because of the age that I'm turning, there's just like pressure from people to get married, and I feel like people should mind their own business. Okay, I was trying to get the seatbelt put on. But essentially I was saying I feel like people should mind their own business, because there's no reason for you to start telling us that we should get married. We know that we're at the age of getting married. We know that there's prime time for women. We know that we have a limited time to choose, apparently. You know, I really just hope that if you're my friend or a family member and you're watching this vlog and you have it in your mind to talk to me about marriage this year, I'm gonna come close, come here. Come close. Don't try it. Like, no, I feel like don't try it, yeah, because we already know there's nothing new that you're telling us. We hear it all the time. Stop telling us. Don't ask us about kids, don't ask us about men. When the time is right, you will see a ring on this finger, okay? As for now, please leave us alone. Don't force us into like choosing the wrong people because you want us to fit within your timeline of life. And me, I love the fact that I'm a girl, because he who finds a wife finds a good thing. So I don't know why you're coming to ask me about my husband. He's supposed to find me. Pray for him that his eyes be opened, okay? Thank you. Leave me alone, please. Thanks. I don't want to be, I really am not, I'm dreading hearing that conversation, oh, you're old or whatever. No, please. That's literally like not the last thing on my mind, but like I have bigger issues in life, okay? Do I own 2 Teslas yet? No. Do I own a mansion in Las Vegas? No. Do I have a holiday home in the Bahamas? No. But you want to stress me about a house, please. Leave us alone. Look at my nails, you guys. They're so clutch. I did them myself. I got them off of Shein. I'll link them in the description box because I know you guys are gonna ask. love, so I'm on my way to my braces appointment, and I'm just so over my braces treatment thing. I finished work. Well, I didn't finish working, but I worked for a short time, and then I also had lunch, as you guys saw. And I'm going to do my teeth, and I want to give you guys the tea on my teeth. Like, I've had braces ever since I was like 16. I'm 25 tomorrow, and it's just becoming annoying at this point because I did get them when I was 16. My teeth like became almost perfect, but the orthodontist that I was seeing was a state orthodontist, and it was free because he was friends with my dad, so I really got those braces for free, which was clutch. But he didn't tell me that I had to wear a retainer, so I went to uni. I finished the treatment in 2017. That year I went to uni. I didn't wear a retainer for like, I don't know, close to, let's say, maybe 3 years, and my teeth just shifted back to original position, which was so upsetting. So then again, I had to start my second round of treatment. So now I'm in Ukraine. I started my second round of treatment on in December of 2021, and that was going fine. My teeth were really doing well, and then 2022 February, the year broke out, so I had to leave Ukraine and I moved to the EU. And the EU braces are so expensive. Like, my entire treatment in Ukraine was going to cost around $1,000 total. Here it's about 4,000 to 5,000 euros, honestly. So I just had braces for like, I would say, a year when I was living in Germany, because I couldn't afford, like, I didn't have 4,000 euros or tamigang. I didn't have 4,000 euros to waste. So after that, I moved to Portugal, and then I've continued my treatment since then. So this has been going on since November 2023, which is amazing. But now I feel like it should come to an end, and I keep asking my doctor, when are we gonna finish, and he keeps saying, you know, 3 more months, 1 more month. So today I'm just gonna press him for an answer, and if he doesn't tell me anything that I want to hear, I'm gonna remove these braces, because I feel like my teeth are not even that bad and I just overthink it. So I just finished from the dentist, and I'm actually feeling okay. I don't know why I was feeling so nervous and upset earlier. He just explained to me that we're practically done with the process, and we just have to let this there's a gap here that has to close. That's literally what's holding back everything else that's happening. Once that gap closes, he says he just has to pull the teeth back, which is just going to be like 2 or 3 more sessions, and then we're done, because like I'm so over having braces. And then when I get home, I have to work some more, and this is what I appreciate about working from home, because like honestly, with an office job I could never. It's my birthday! Oh my gosh.
One last
Thank you.
How do you
I'm ready for my song. Sing, please, with your whole heart.
Okay. Happy birthday.
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Birthday to you. Yep.
Happy birthday.
No. Where's the hip hip hooray? I'll work later. I'll text you around like 10, 11. I'll see your movement, yeah?
Okay, no problem.
Okay, bye.
Okay. Alright.
My friend is the sweetest, guys. My friend is the sweetest person to ever exist. I just can't, like, the way I've spent like so much money for my birthday, the planning and everything. I was literally like, what am I going to do, you know? And this girl is just like, girl, give me your PayPal, and she sends me the exact amount I was just about to ask my mom, literally. Hi my loves, good morning. So I'm done getting ready. Nothing serious, just lip gloss, my natural bits, hair, and cute. Anyways, this is a dress I got from Zara. I love it so much. It's like so comfortable and classy and chic. Anyways, my Uber is gonna be here in a few minutes, and I'm just gonna go get brunch by myself. I'm practically going to be spending the day by myself. So first, I also want to get something from Primark, so I'm gonna go for brunch, and then after brunch we're gonna go to Primark, and then we're gonna come back home. I'm taking you guys every single place I go. I'm really excited. I can't believe I'm 25. And yeah, let me show you guys my outfit of the day. Cute, right? I know. I feel like spending my birthday here was such a clutch decision, because even here in Coimbra right now it's so cold. I can't imagine how cold it is in Germany, you know. You guys, I feel like Ryanair is so funny. Like, I'm trying to buy a ticket, right? I'm trying to buy a flight ticket, and the actual flight ticket itself is 20 euros. For me to add like my cabin bag, it's 24 euros. For me to pick a window seat, it's 12 euros. Like, this guy, I don't understand. Like, why don't you just write then that the entire ticket is going to cost me about 50, 60 euros instead of putting 19, only for you to charge me for every little thing. Okay, if I don't pick a seat, I don't take cabin luggage, I'm now going to pay 10 euros for priority boarding or something like that. I don't really understand these people. I will never for love of me understand Ryanair, but will I continue flying with them? Yes. Anyways, I'm on my way to my brunch place right now, and I will catch up with you guys when I get there. Tell you guys that I'm going to the mall because I want to buy myself a gift. Literally, I feel like I wanted to do something for my birthday that would make me happy, and typically this is like my favorite things to do: have brunch, go to the mall, buy myself something nice, get a massage. So that's what I'm doing. I'm also supposed to get a piercing and a tattoo, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. as Olivia and Ify would say. I don't have the guts, apparently. I'm just so nervous, and I wish I could be able to do it with someone. But yeah, I'm gonna catch up with you guys when I get to the mall. One thing I don't mind being stared at, like the fact that I'm wearing a summer dress mid-winter. Okay, it's not really winter in Portugal, but it's cold. I'm wearing a really short summer dress. It's cold outside. It's cold. It's cold. Today is the day I'm feeling cold, but an aesthetic is an aesthetic, and it must aesthetic. So yes. I regret not carrying my tote bag so bad today because it makes my life easy. Like, because I'm careless. No, I'm not careless in Jesus' name. I'm not careless in Jesus' name. But because I lose things quite often, that tote bag like saves my life, because literally all I have to do is throw everything in there and then I'm good to go. But now that I didn't carry my tote bag, I literally have like this little bag now, this little bag, and I had to force myself to finish my food because I didn't want to have like an extra. I didn't want to have. Somebody smells nice. Yeah. I didn't want to have like an extra thing, because then I would be carrying 3 things plus my camera plus my phone. That would have been a disaster, child. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Zara now. Well, Bershka. Or should I go to Converse? I really wanted a Converse All-Star, but I already got like 3 sneakers. So I don't know if it's wise to get another pair of sneakers yet again, you know. But yeah, I'm just gonna shop around and I'm gonna take you guys with me. You guys, I'm just also thinking like if I should get a perfume or something, but really I had like a wish list for my birthday and everything is ticked. Everything, okay, except for Gymshark. I need something from Gymshark. That's the only thing that I don't have yet that I want. But other than that, literally every single thing that's on there has been like, my friends have gifted me, so I'm super grateful. I was just thinking about it now. I wanted to get a perfume from Douglas, but I'm like, I actually already have a perfume. Can your friends ever? Matter of fact, can the Lord you serve ever? Because at the end of the day, it's God who touches people's hearts to do you good, you know. So yeah. Yes, some. Are you Muslim? Oh, okay. Yes, a bit of Muslim. Hi, my love. So I'm on my way to the massage place, and I am so late. I don't even know like what happened. I really was like keeping track of time and everything, but it's 12:29. I was supposed to be there at 12. I don't even know if they'll still agree to see me. If not, it's fine. I take my L and move. I tried my best, but I did get some things from Zara and like Stradivarius. I got such a cute outfit, and I think I'm gonna take pictures later on today just for fun and show you guys very pretty stuff. And when I get home, I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far, because me, I'm enjoying it. I didn't really vlog the trying on clothes part because I feel like I do that a lot on my vlogs and it's kind of becoming repetitive. So when I get home, I'll just show you guys when I'm dressing up. I'm so sad because my watch broke, so I don't have a watch now. And this outfit I got needs a watch, you know, it needs like some accessories. But anyways, nevertheless, I will speak with you guys when I get to the place that I'm going to, and hopefully they will agree to see me. Also, storage is almost done on my camera, so that's another issue that we're having. But nevertheless, I will see you guys in a minute. Just finished my massage and it was a 10 out of 10. Like, it was so good, so good. Oh gosh, I'm so angry that I was late, but I'm on my way home now. Hi my loves, good morning. It's my post-birthday birthday. Yeah, good morning. I hope you guys had an amazing day yesterday on my birthday. Anyways, I'm going for brunch with my friend. I have a cold. I don't even know where it came from. I mean, I was recovering. I already mentioned earlier on in the vlog that I had a cold, but I was recovering. But now it's like full on back. But yeah, IB and I are going out for brunch, and me, nothing is gonna stop me from ever going out for brunch. If someone calls me outside for brunch, for lunch, for dinner, for shopping, come rain, come sunshine, I'm there. Okay, let me show you guys my outfit of the day. Top is from Primark, pants are from Stradivarius, bag Primark, glasses lefties. I'm gonna catch up with you guys when I get to the brunch place that I'm going to. Oh, also I'm wearing my all-time new favorite perfume, Scent at Sunset by Zara. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Did I wear sunscreen today? Let me quickly wear sunscreen. Bye guys. my hi my loves. So we've come to the end of this vlog. I technically just want to close it here simply because I'm having a very bad cold and I'm not feeling too well. My head is aching and I'm just going through it. Also, as a girl, it's that time of the month, and then I'm also having a cold, so my voice keeps going and coming back and going, and I'm not able to vlog that way. So I'm just gonna close off this vlog, edit it and post it today. I hope you guys had an amazing Sunday and an amazing week, and I hope you do enjoy this vlog. And don't forget to stream Koinonia if you didn't go to church today. And even if you did go to church today, don't forget to stream Koinonia. Okay? I love you so much. God bless you and see you guys in my next video. Bye.